Hi, my name is Dina Shanowitz and I'm the founder of Zomee. I got started with breast pumps because I had a lot of issues breastfeeding. My first, who's now 10 years old, was exclusively pumping, and I was using a pump that was bound to a wall and wasn't rechargeable, very big and bulky, and I wanted something that would be more customizable for pumping, especially when you're on the run, and nowadays many moms are on the run. We created a pump that not only is portable, rechargeable, but also has all the unique features that will enable mom to be able to have better output as well as a successful breastfeeding journey. Now I'm going to show you how to use the Zomee Z2 pump. When the pump comes out of the box, there might be battery life to the pump, but we recommend first starting by charging the pump for a good 2 hours to really juice it up. What's nice is that it's not only something that could be used at home, but as well as back to work, being it's portable, rechargeable, and has a lanyard that mom could wear around her neck. The pump is all touchpad. Nowadays, moms are very used to using the tap of their finger to navigate between devices, so this is something that mom can adjust very easily. If you notice, there's actually a plastic on the pump that's a little quick guide. So for those moms that don't want to read the instructions manual that comes in the box, the quick guide will really walk you through the main key points. To turn the pump on, you're going to hold the on button for 2 seconds. Once the pump turns on, the pump will automatically go into stimulation mode. If you see that wave or bacon icon, that's going to be stimulation mode. Stimulation mode is going to be the weaker, quicker, consistent sucks that mimics the way a baby feeds from mom. When baby latches on, they're initially doing the flutter sucks, and then finally when they get, when they're starting to suck a little bit harder and the milk comes out, they're doing the deeper, stronger pull. So if you notice the way that the diaphragm is moving, you'll see that it's a very gentle, light suck, and this is going to be what's happening when you're on the stimulation mode. If you notice, you've got your plus and minus button. When I press my plus button, it's going to increase the suction, so you'll see that the suction is actually going to be a little stronger and the speed is going to slow down a bit. And what happens is as you increase the suction, the cycles per minute, the speed will go down. Something that's nice about the Zomee pump is that the pump does go up to 100 cycles per minute. Most pumps don't go past the 70 or 80 cycles per minute, and some moms need that quicker speed to be able to release their milk. So what's nice is that the pump on stimulation mode will go up to 100 cycles per minute. After 2 minutes, the pump will automatically switch to expression mode. I just clicked on my M button to switch the mode, but the pump actually on its own will switch to expression after 2 minutes. Expression will be the slower, deeper, stronger pulls. I'm going to increase it. Let's just say I want to be on level 5 or 6. Just keep in mind that when you are increasing the suction, you should slowly go up in the level that you're most comfortable at. And when you feel that you're comfortable and you can handle a little bit more suction, you could go up. But mom should not crank it all the way up to level 9. That's just going to cause nipple trauma and cause their body to tense up. So slowly go up to a level that you're most comfortable at. And if you notice the way that the diaphragm is moving up and down, you'll see how it's actually not working together at the same time, rather alternating, which is allowing each breast to react to each other, giving mom that extra stimulation, so mom is able to get a quicker letdown and produce more milk in less time. We created this alternate mode technology, being that a lot of moms do not have great success double pumping versus single pumping, where some moms are not getting great output when they're double pumping. So by alternating, it's allowing each breast to react to each other, giving mom that extra stimulation, sort of when you're breastfeeding baby on one side and then the opposite side starts reacting. So you have that Haka pump or collection cup to gather the milk from the opposite side. Mom is busy, has a busy lifestyle, and we want to just allow mom to use it for the least amount of time where it will be effective and productive for mom. The pump actually goes all the way up to 260 mmHg, so for those moms that need the hospital grade strength, they definitely have that. Once I'm done with expression, I will click on my M button again, and you'll see it's going to show a 3-drop icon. This 3-drop icon is 2-phase mode. 2-phase mode is a combo mode. The combo mode goes back and forth from stimulation to expression. I have now my diaphragm. If you watch the way that it's moving, you'll see how it starts with 5 weaker sucks, and now 5 deeper, stronger pulls. And this allows mom to stimulate, then extract, which allows mom to get better output and be able to release her milk. A lot of moms love being on this mode the entire pumping session, being that they feel this mode enables them to get a great letdown as well as an easy mode that they could be on the entire pumping session. Our recommended settings is mom should start on stimulation mode. We recommend being on that stimulation mode for the first 2 minutes so that mom is stimulated. Once she's stimulated and her milk supply comes in and she gets that initial letdown, then she should switch to her next mode by clicking on the M button, which is going to be expression mode. When it comes to the levels, you want to go up to the level that you're most comfortable at slowly, just to make sure that it's not too painful and that it's comfortable. Then you're going to be on expression mode for the next 8 to 10 minutes until you extract all the milk you can. Then we recommend using the two-phase mode. Two-phase mode is great to get that second letdown where your body will respond quicker to the second letdown. We recommend mom use this mode for the next 8 to 10 minutes, and then typically after 20 minutes, we recommend mom to finish her pumping session. The pump will automatically shut off after 30 minutes for safety reasons, in case mom left it on and forgot to shut it off, as well as we typically don't recommend mom pump over the 30-minute mark. You can also pause the pump if you wanted to do an errand, change baby's diaper. You could pause, then go press play, and you will have your time and your mode saved. There's a night light as well for those moms that want to see what they're doing at night, and it will light up around the rim so they could see the screen clearer. So all our products have a 2-year warranty, being that we really stand behind our products, especially because many moms are pumping more than just the year of their baby's life and want to continue pumping after that first year. We also do have customer service that speak English and Spanish, so mom can always contact one of our customer service specialists. We also have lactation consultants that would be able to assist mom if they have any lactating issues. Mom would be able to reach out, and within 24 hours, one of our lactation consultants would get back to mom.